It's so rare that you're not going to see this anywhere else. I'm the Moana version of Titanic. I am like the heart of the ocean with this set. Hi, it's Jen Shah, and this is Precious Metals with Marie Claire. I'm here to give you a sneak preview and special tour of my jewelry closet, and I'm going to show you all a few pieces that are near and dear to my heart and very special. Jewelry has always been very important to me and very special. I've loved jewelry ever since I was a little girl. My grandma Kong, thanks to her, that's where I got my love and affinity for jewelry. She was always wearing jewelry, and my grandfather always got her the finest jewels. And so naturally, that's where I got my love for jewelry. So for the first set of jewelry that I'm gonna show you that I absolutely love, it's one of my favorite sets. It's an emerald and diamond set that was exclusively made for me by Baranoff Jewelers in Park City. I love emeralds because emeralds are good luck. Not only are they beautiful, but they're good luck, and green reminds me of money. It's an emerald necklace set with diamonds. The emeralds are 8.85 carats, surrounded by about 5 carats of diamonds, and they're pear-shaped cut diamonds, and then 8 carats of round, brilliant cut diamonds. I just wear it around the house because it makes me feel like the Wizard of Oz, basically. Okay? Green. We love it. I like to celebrate, different holidays and get a new piece for each holiday. So we've now completed the entire emerald set. I have this beautiful emerald cut ring. This is half moon cut diamonds. This is an oval cut emerald. It's 7.2 carats. And then it has about 2.5 carats of diamonds. And this whole set is in 18 karat white gold. We then got the bracelet, and this was my most recent purchase of this whole collection. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a natural diamond and then emerald bangle. Okay, it looks like it's multiple. It's actually all one. So it clasps like this. It's 18 karat white gold. It has about 2 carats of Colombian emeralds and then 6 carats of diamonds around it. This is a vintage design from the 1800s. And I just feel like it complements this whole set, like the necklace, the ring, the bangle. Okay, for the next set that I'm going to show you, it's so rare that you're not going to see this anywhere else. Like, think of Titanic, okay? The movie Titanic. I'm the Moana version of Titanic. I am like the heart of the ocean with this set. This is a tanzanite necklace set with diamonds. Now, this is 36.6 carats of tanzanite right here. Like I said, heart of the ocean, this right here, tanzanite. And it's set with right under 4 carats of diamonds around it. I want to let you guys know tanzanite is the second rarest natural gemstone in the world, and it's only found in Tanzania, Africa. So that's how rare this gemstone is, and it's absolutely gorgeous, like the deep blue tanzanite color. I absolutely love it. This was a set, again, made exclusively by Baranoff Jeweler. So this tanzanite ring is 18 karat white gold. The stone is actually 29.5 carats. It has 2 fancy pear-shaped diamonds on each side, and each of those are 1.25 carats total weight. I just showed you guys like the rarest of rare. I don't show this to everybody. This one I love because it's simple, but it's such a statement necklace at the same time. It's set in 18 karat white gold, and it's almost 8 carats of diamonds. And it's such a beautiful, simple statement piece. So two of my favorite diamond rings right here. I love this because it looks like I have 3 rings on, but it's actually 1 ring. And this is an emerald cut diamond ring. It's set in 18 karat white gold, and it's just over 5 carats of emerald cut diamonds. It's beautiful. This ring right here, it's unique. You have rose gold diamond. It's fancy shaped diamond with the tricolor gold. This is my favorite. Tony at Baranoff Jewelers made this exclusively for me. And this bangle, it's a square shaped bangle, and the diamonds come all the way around right here on the inside, and they go all the way around. So all you see is shining diamonds from 10 miles away. Tony just made this one for me as well, because I told you I like to mix and match gold and silver. So you can wear it together. You have like the 2 silver and gold, and then with this ring, the tricolor ring, it just goes perfect. I keep telling Coach Shah, I don't need anything else in my entire life. This is the last piece of jewelry and I'm like set. And then Baranoff Jewelers comes out with some other amazing piece that I need. This one actually, if you see the diamonds cut in this vintage bracelet, I actually got this one because of this ring. This ring inspired me to get this beautiful vintage diamond bangle. I'm gonna show you guys this too. I know you guys are like, you got more? Yeah, I do. This one, I love it because I can wear it with literally anything. Turtlenecks, I had this on earlier today running around. The best thing I love about this is you can double it up. So you can layer this. This is a great layering piece. Who doesn't want to layer 19 carats of diamonds? I don't know, I think anybody would want to do that, right? Here it is doubled up. You can layer it with other necklaces. You can wear it by itself, you know, as a choker. So cute with like casual stuff. I mean, you can casually wear 19 carats of diamonds, but you know what? Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Diamonds make me happy. Jewelry makes me happy. Jewelry sparkles. It's beautiful. It makes me feel beautiful no matter what I'm wearing. So thank you for watching Precious Metals. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to Marie Claire. And I hope you enjoyed the sneak preview to my favorite pieces.